Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to show you the new way to log a customer inside of the CRM using Blackbird. The reason being is you want to make it so that your follow-up's more efficient, the reporting is more accurate, and you don't want to have your sales managers chasing around duplicate deals to try and get your customer the information that they need. So, first thing everyone knows to do is go to Add ClickUp. Next, you just go and search for the customer's name or phone number, and you'll see the dealer socket already knows that there's some duplicates for my name. So I'll search for them. Now you don't always have to go to this customer is not a duplicate. I would recommend looking for that person. So you can see I'm already here, so I don't need to add myself again. So select myself. Next is look and see if there's any existing sales opportunities. All of these are lost, and then one recent sold. However, if there's already an existing sales event, you're going to want to work out of that one. There's no need to have multiple sales events for you and for that customer. You're going to get double the to-dos, double the amount of letters, double the amount of emails are going to go out all for that same person. So to make your life easier, first check and see if there's an open sales event. If there's not, I'm going to add a new sales opportunity. Now here's where things are changing, so please pay attention. Before, you used to be able to select source and it would default to fresh up. I'm going to show you why I changed this. So if you picked fresh up and this customer actually wasn't standing inside of the store, which means technically they're not a fresh up unless they're inside the store and that's the first contact they made. Let's say they were a referral. Your friend called you and said, hey, my sister's looking to buy a car. Awesome. Definitely want to get them in the system, but she's technically not a fresh up yet because she's not inside the store. If you went over here and hit save and continue, window's going to pop up and it's going to say save. You can put your work notes in, but if you don't look, you'll see that it says log a store visit. So it's automatically, when you hit save, going to put this customer in as a store visit inside the CRM, which a lot of things start happening once the customer is in as a store visit behind the scenes that you may not realize. So please make sure if the customer is not physically standing inside the store and that is the first contact they made with the store, as like in you, if you didn't up them on the lot, they're not a fresh up. Just remember that. So I'm going to save this, and you'll see that now I'm in here as a store visit, even though I might not have been inside the store. I'm just a friend's referral, let's say. So a lot of things happen behind the scenes. Please try and not do that. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you the real way we want to do this now. And no, you don't have the ability to delete opportunities. Only managers do. Alright, so when you really want to add a new sales opportunity, you first want to ask yourself, well, how did this customer make contact with the dealership? Did I up them on the lot? Then yes, they're a fresh up. If not, they're either going to be a referral, a phone up, internet, or a service drive customer. There's really no other way for the customer to be inside the dealership unless they're one of these 5 things. So now you're just going to default it to referral. And then you can choose your tracking code from here if you feel it necessary. Next thing to pay attention to is what is this customer actually interested in? Because this also changes up the type of marketing and the type of to-dos you're going to get. So this opportunity type is defaulting to a new vehicle. It's going to do that every single time. But if they're actually interested in a pre-owned vehicle, you're going to want to put that there. So one, the managers can look at the reports and say, okay, how many people have we had visit the store on new cars versus used cars? Or what is John Vincent's closing ratio on new cars versus used cars? Is he having trouble closing used car deals versus new car deals or vice versa? They can't tell that unless the data is input in here correctly. And then you would just continue. But now the window that pops up says, what do you want to do with this customer? So we'll go back to the friend's sister example. If it's my friend's sister who's looking for a car, I'd go and I'd log an appointment for her to come in. Or log a phone call. Or if they did show up, you can log them as a store visit, but you're going to want to put them in the status that best represents what stage they are inside of their purchasing decision. So that's it. Any questions, give me a call, shoot me an email. But please try and pay attention to how you're inputting your customers inside the CRM, because that will make your manager's lives easier. And when they're happy, I can guarantee you'll be happier too. Have a great day. Thanks.